Okay, open the player armature here, geometry here, drop down, armature mesh here, right? This is your mesh. Okay, so you drag these characters to here. Okay, you see, okay, you put it, adjust the positions lah. So here, oh sorry, forgot to, okay, you goes to working here, all your working, you need to change the setting first. Okay, goes to rig, change to humanoid. Okay, so after that you click apply. Okay, and then goes to material here, you extract the material and select the folders. Okay, now the material, all the material will be here. Okay, later you need to place inside lah. Okay, all the material. Okay, do this. Okay, done already. So you can just drag your characters, your skirt here. Okay. Okay, so now drag against to your play. You put it under the geometry here, under the geometry, and then you can place it something like in this position. Okay, so we check. Okay, so you delete the previous one, the armature mesh. You delete. Click delete for this. Delete. Okay, so now you have your work. But now the not yet finished because you haven't put the controller and everything. So you will notice that you will see this for your simulators. Okay, he will be no animations. Okay, but he can walk already, just no animation. So we need to do the animation is we need to go to player armature here. Okay, and then you double click this one avatar. You change to your own working avatar, right? Okay, change to your working avatar, and then you double click this controller. You click this one. Okay, you click the idle. Okay, the brand tree. So now you replace the animations with your own characters one. Okay, so you will have the idols. Okay, and then you have the run. Okay, and then you have walk animation. Walking animation. Okay, still a lot of setting that you need to do, but we'll test one by one and see the issue. Okay, so now you can see it will be goes down here because for your idle, I'll check up here first. Okay, so for this animation, we'll have the wrong one is this. Okay, Ninja Idols. You click the edit button, goes to rig and change to humanoid. Okay, apply. Okay, so for your run as well, run animation, goes to your run animation, edit, rig, you change to humanoid. Okay, apply. Okay, so try again. Okay, so now you have the idle animations here already. You have the walking, you have issue. So you need to go to your working okay, and then edit. So rig humanoid animations. Okay, you need to have a loops times. Okay, loops every time. Okay, so for I think Ninja this one loop already. Make sure all your animation you go click the loop. Okay, so this one. Okay, idols already have loops. Okay, we check the run. Click the run. Click the edit buttons. Okay, rig humanoid animation. We check the loops also. Click apply. Okay, now working animation, edit. Okay, goes to animation loops. Okay, now check again. Okay, so now you see you can have a walk animation and this one, but we don't have texture yet. So for our textures, okay, you can see your texture for your material. This one, can you do this one first?